Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and picking Firestore versus real-time database based on your data shape. Firestore for documents, real-time for streaming. Once done, install the official SDK for your platform, import the config snippet, and call initialize app with your credentials. Make sure to set temporary security rules that permit authenticated access so you can test writes and reads. This gets your app talking to Firebase immediately and establishes the foundational connection you will build upon next. You now structure your data, plan collections and document ID for Firestore, or a normalized JSON tree for real-time database to avoid hot spots. Next, implement core operations. Use add, set, update, and get, or real-time listeners like on Snapshot and on Value for live updates. For complex updates, choose transactions or batched writes to preserve consistency. Also enable indexing for frequent queries and offline persistence on clients, so the app remains responsive when the network drops. You finish by deploying hardened security rules and any index definitions, using Firebase Deploy to push production changes. Then enable monitoring and logging, crashlytics, performance, and database usage to spot slow queries or permission denials. Schedule exports or backups if your data is critical, and run integration tests in the local emulator and CI before releases. If something goes wrong, check rules and the emulator first. Common fixes include updating rules, reindexing, or reverting a bad security rule. This single step often resolves permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.